You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we have AirTech Challenge 2s. These are the Nike AirTech Challenge 2 Hot Lava Reimagined 2024. If you caught our last episode, then you know these are a unanimous crew favorite over here at Shoot Your Shot TV. So these were a must-have. Let's go ahead and dive into the details of this classic sneaker. Starting with the tongue, it has this white nylon tongue. On the opposite side, it has the hot lava color. It also has a nylon tongue tag stitched on the front with that hot lava border, as well as black and white in there as well. And you have the hot lava Nike swoosh. They come with these flat laces pre-laced in. It's a very light gray color. And then as you get towards the forefoot of the laces, you do have these plastic eyelets in white with a rigid texture to it. Taking us to the toe box, you have a combination of both synthetic and real leather, and it has perforated holes. You do have a leather overlay at the tip of the toe that also takes you to the side of the shoe. Underneath that, you have a black leather underlay that has the hot lava print splattered on. Taking us to the quarter panel of the shoe, you have more leather overlays with that bright hot lava Nike swoosh that's also connected to the plastic wings that double as eyelets as well. Underneath that, you have more leather overlays and more of that iconic hot lava print. It comes with a gray sock liner. Taking us to the back of the shoe, you have this black nylon material, same material as the front of the tongue. Underneath that, on the heel cup, you have more leather overlays in black and white, and you have the Nike Air embroidered in white. Taking us to the midsole, you have a three-tone midsole. At the forefoot of the midsole, you do have the lateral outrigger for sideways movement in this off-white sail color. And then the rest of the midsole is split in two with gray, and then you have that pre-aged midsole look that houses the Air unit. Taking us to the outsole, you have that classic AirTech Challenge 2 outsole. At the forefoot, you have that herringbone traction in that vibrant hot lava color. Underneath that, you have thicker lines in gray, and underneath that, you do have the black herringbone traction. They also give you a bold, vibrant, hot lava Nike logo. For those of you who might not know, the AirTech Challenge 2 made its debut in 1990. They were designed by legendary Tinker Hatfield, who we always say was in his bag back then. I want to say the Jordan 5 dropped around the same time, and that's another crew favorite over here at Shoot Your Shot TV. The AirTech Challenge 2 was also worn by tennis icon Andre Agassi as he climbed the ATP ranks and was killing it out there on the tennis courts in the bold Nike gear to match. And they also had crazy Nike commercials to really push their tennis star and their tennis shoe. Now, over the years, we've seen a handful of retros. The first retro was 2008. They dropped again in 2014, and then again in 2016 and 2019. But they changed the eyelets on those last two retros. On the forefoot of the shoe, they made them gray instead of the traditional white. This latest retro for 2024 is part of Nike's Cult Classic series. Other shoes from that series include the Air 180, as well as the Air Force 1 Ivory Snake. We reviewed both of those, make sure you check it out. Some of the details that really stand out to me on this reimagined pair compared to the other retros is number one, the shape, especially that toe box. It's really sleek and closer to the OGs from 1990 than any other retro I've owned. Next, I want to say is the vibrant hot lava color that they use. It's brighter than any other retro I've seen in person, and a lot of tennis aficionados say that it's closer to the OGs as well. And the hot lava print on the side of the shoe really looks like hot lava bursting from a volcano, where the retros look more just like paint splatter. Nike really did an amazing job with these. They came with the OG box, they came with the retro hang tag, and to me, this is the retro of the year. The AirTech Challenge 2 Reimagined dropped on August 30th at a price point of $150, and they sold out instantly. Hopefully there'll be some restock so more people have a chance to grab these, and so we can have a potential chance to possibly double up. But if you want to grab a pair right now, you can click our StockX affiliate link in the description below. Any purchase made using that link helps support this channel so we can keep the reviews coming for you all. Now, as far as comfort is concerned, this retro of the AirTech Challenge 2 is more comfortable than any other pair I've ever owned. For some reason, they feel more plush. It might be the quality materials that they used, but I can't put my finger on it. They're just really comfortable, lightweight, they feel good. I love them. Now, as far as sizing is concerned, I would suggest going true to size. If you have a wider foot, you might want to go a half size up. As far as style is concerned, if you didn't catch the last episode, We always say it. This is one of our favorites over here at Shoot Your Shot TV, a unanimous crew favorite. I'll never get tired of the shoe. I love the silhouette. I love that hot lava color. I love the hot lava print. And if this shoe came out for the first time in 2024, this is something that would grab my attention, something I would buy day of. You could wear this with a lot of different things. You don't have to match hot lava with the hot lava. You could wear this with crazy colors. This goes with everything. To me, it's similar to a black and red Jordan 1 as far as classic, iconicness, status. You really can't go wrong. Some people were on the fence about the pre-aged look, but I think it works. It goes really well with this silhouette, and it goes with that vintage aesthetic. And the AirTech Challenge 2, it looks better the more you wear it. But how do you all feel about the AirTech Challenge 2? Were you able to hit? Did you pay resale? Did you pass? Let us know in the comments below. We love to hear from you all. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can be notified every time we drop new episodes. Let's go ahead and try these on.
Spy music up the chart, God willing, from a squad to all villains on the Mata Godzilla. Chillin' nothing but SF, Giants Heat, Nike fleece from 93, about to throw on that MJ, come and fly with me. Man, this ain't that drama you wanna try and act out. I tell the pilot to land in Thailand, right on Bison's background. In the mighty jungle, when confronted, lions back down. Fredo becomes David, about to chop Goliath's ass down. The most consistent, most unstoppable, with no resistance. The Mega Mall boys load the clip, we on the road to riches. Man, what you say anyway? I don't think no one listens. How you finna talk about where we at when you're in no position? Hold up, I'm about to roll up. This whole prescription, Hercules, Michael Bolton singing, I could go the distance. I'ma accelerate further.
If you enjoyed this review on the AirTech Challenge 2, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can be notified every time we drop new episodes, and also catch up with our previous content, and we'll catch you on the next one.